If you decide that you want to work with another handpiece and put a different filter so it's ready, all you have to do, you have to go back, go here, press on this, and then you're going to work on this. So let's say you want to do a skin rejuvenation with the E-light. So you press on the skin rejuvenation, press the skin type. Here it's going to give you pulses, 3 short pulses on every time that you pulse the handpiece. This is going to control the RF, the radio frequency, so you can go up and down. This is going to control the joules. You can go again up and down. So when it goes to standby, I'm going to go to ready. And right now, you're going to see every time that I pulse, you're going to see a triple pulse. It's fast. It's very hard to see it, but that's what it does. Okay, so this is very simple.